Hello, my dear YouTube family. I wish you all happy Janmashtami. And today I'm going to share with you few lessons that we can learn from Lord Krishna. Number one, you should try to be an excellent communicator like Lord Krishna. The Bhagavad Gita, the excellent message that Lord Krishna gave to Arjun was said in such a beautiful way that the other person can understand each and everything very well. You should also develop this quality to be an orator, to be an excellent communicator. Also, you should always be ready to share your knowledge. Lord Krishna, the ultimate power, the omnipotent, the omnipresent, and the omniscient, was ready to share the ultimate truth to his disciple Arjun. So you should always be ready to share your knowledge with others. Also, you can learn this quality from Lord Krishna of being down to earth. When his childhood friend Sudama came to meet him, he met with him with such simplicity. He just embraced him and ate the raw rice brought by him. There was no show off, there was no showing that I am Lord or something, I am king. He just met with him with simplicity. This quality should be learned. Your money, your power doesn't matter. Whenever you meet someone, you should meet with simplicity. Friends, today is birthday of Lord Krishna. I wish you all happy Janmashtami. Always try to be a tactful communicator, a good speaker, and also try to be a good manager in life. We can learn this from Lord Krishna also. He was an excellent manager. Just see how the Pandavas fought the battle with the Kauravas. They were less in number, less in army, but the management was superb. So here we can say that this was a team of 5 against 100, but they won it because he had this wonderful manager, Lord Krishna. Also, we can learn one lesson from Lord Krishna, that you should never take side because of your relations. So, in other words, we can say that he was against nepotism. Also, one quality that really attracts me towards Krishna is the ease of accessibility for the common people. Even if you are a successful person, a powerful person, you should be accessible to the common people, to your old friends. This is a very big lesson that we can learn from him. Also, he was a far-sighted person. I cannot say he is God, but he was far-sighted. His vision, his mission was very clear right from the starting. He always told the Pandavas that we should avoid the war if it's possible. We should try to avoid it again and again, but if there is no possibility, then we should fight with full our powers. I think his friendly approach is responsible for his accessibility to the common people. Also, he fought the war for dharma, but he was very flexible. We know that he is a great strategist. We can learn from them. In the story of Mahabharata, many times he showed us that how good strategist he is. I remember an incident from the book, from the Mahabharata, that once Duryodhan was called by his mother. His mother wanted to give him some superpowers. She wanted to make his body strong. So she asked him to come in her tent naked, so that she can give him some superpowers. But on the way, Krishna met him and just manipulated his mind that it's not good. You should wear something on your thighs. And when he went there, he got the superpowers, but not on the thighs. So his thighs were weak. So at the time of final battle, he was beaten and killed by Bhim. So there are many things that we can learn from Krishna. There is one lesson that we can learn, that you should have a strong determination. You should always stick to your goals. His goal was very clear. His goal was welfare for good, and to destroy the evil, and to strengthen the principles. That was his ultimate goal. And even when there was a huge army in front of Pandavas, so he was standing with them, not as a warrior, but as a guide, as a charioteer. And he always mentioned this thing again and again to Arjun, that it's very important to cultivate the core values. Your core values should be strong. And he motivated him. They don't think that the other person who is in front of you, they are your relatives. Just understand that it's a war and everything is fair in war. So fight with conviction and accept the change. Change is the part of nature. So you should understand it. You just go in the right direction and you will get the control. We should be adaptable. We should learn to change ourselves according to the situation. And most important that we should always listen to our inner voice. If we don't listen to our inner voice, then we are not in the way of dharma. We should be unbiased. We should not favor any of our relatives. We should go in right direction. And the biggest lesson that we get from Mahabharata is the lesson of detachment. You should not attach yourself to Mohamaya. You should be detached from Maya. This is the ultimate lesson, and students can learn a lot, managers can learn a lot from Lord Krishna. We see that from the life of Krishna, that his life, he went through a lot of difficulties, lot of adversities. Even when he took birth, he was in a prison. And throughout his life, even at the time of his childhood, many demons attacked him. But he fought and defeated everyone. He killed his mama Kans also. A lot of adversities he faced in his life, but his personal life never was able to change his path, his goal. He had this strong commitment that he will bring dharma in the world. His vision and mission was crystal clear. So, I wish you all happy Janmashtami once again, and from bottom of my heart, I wish you all that you get great success in life. May Krishna bless you. Thank you so much.